Hello everyone, so today I will tell you about the story named Hacksaw Ridge. In the heart of Lynchburg, Virginia, a young boy named Desmond Doss grows up with a deep-rooted faith. Raised by Seventh-day Adventist parents, he is taught the sacred commandment, "Thou shalt not kill." As a child, he once almost killed his brother during a fight, and the guilt of that moment changed him forever. He vows never to take another life. When World War II begins, America calls its men to war. Desmond, a man of unwavering principle, refused to fight with a weapon, but he still wants to serve his country. He enlists in the US Army as a medic, hoping to save lives rather than take them. From the very beginning, Desmond faced ridicule and hostility. His fellow soldiers mocked him, beat him, and tried to force him to quit, believing that a man who refused to carry a gun is a liability in battle. His superiors tried to court-martial him for refusing to touch a rifle, but he stands firm. While others take life, I want to save them, he declares. Against all odds, Desmond wins his case and is allowed to serve without a weapon. But his real battle is yet to come. In 1945, Desmond's unit deployed to Okinawa, where one of the bloodiest battles of the war takes place. Their mission: capture Hacksaw Ridge, a steep, 400-foot escarpment guarded by thousands of well-fortified Japanese soldiers. The enemy is relentless, attacking with machine guns, grenades, and hidden tunnels. As the battle begins, Desmond watches in horror as his comrades are mowed down by bullets, torn apart by explosions, and left screaming for help. But he does not run. While others fire their weapons, he rushes into the chaos without a gun, determined to save as many as he can. One by one, he drags, carries, and lowers wounded soldiers down the cliff. With nothing but a rope and his bare hands, he improvised a pulley system to bring them to safety. Each time he saves one, he prays, "Lord, help me get one more." For 12 hours, Desmond worked tirelessly. Even as bullets whiz past him and artillery shakes the ground, his body is exhausted. His hands are torn, but he refuses to stop. When enemy soldiers get too close, he prays and miraculously they do not see him. By the time dawn breaks, Desmond has saved 75 men, including some of the soldiers who once bullied him. His fellow troops, once skeptical of him, now look at him with awe. Despite his exhaustion, Desmond refused to leave the battlefield. In a second assault on Hacksaw Ridge, he charged in once more, helping the wounded and praying over the dying. Then disaster strikes. A grenade explodes near him, shattering his legs. As he drags himself to safety, he is shot in the arm by a sniper. Yet even as he bleeds, he refused to be taken off the field first, insisting that other soldiers be rescued before him. His courage became legendary. His fellow soldiers, once ashamed of him, now refuse to enter battlefield without him. They even delay their next attack until Desmond finishes praying. His extraordinary bravery, Desmond Doss became the first conscientious objector in American history to receive the Medal of Honor from President Harry Truman. When Truman presents him the medal, he shakes Desmond's hands and says, "You are the bravest man I ever met." By the end of the war, Desmond has saved at least 75 lives. Though some say the number is higher. He proved to the world that the true strength is not in violence, but in unshakable faith and the courage to stand by one beliefs. Desmond Doss, the man who went to war without a gun, became one of the greatest heroes in American history.